My video will help you to get rid of the pop-up windows coming from the site Herforthejob.top. Herforthejob.top. So it's a very deceptive website currently attacking Google Chrome, Firefox, and other popular browsers. The website tries to make you subscribe to its annoying web push notifications. It says that you need to click on the Allow button, supposedly to continue your browsing. In reality, clicking on the Allow button would immediately hijack your browser. First, you will be redirected to some other deceptive website, and then you will start facing a lot of advertisement banners that will be popping up randomly in your screen. If you have clicked on this Allow button, that is obviously a serious mistake and you need to fix the issue immediately. When dealing with browsers like Google Chrome, access the menu, click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings. Then, in Permissions, you need to click on Notifications and go to the bottom of the page and delete these malicious sites that are causing the troubles for your browser. Well, if you deal with Mozilla Firefox browser, for instance, go to the menu, click on Preferences, go to Privacy and Security, scroll down to the Permissions and click on Notifications and go to Settings. Similarly, remove any junk sites that are causing such unwanted pop-up windows in your browser. Finally, I would recommend that you additionally research your Windows computer with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software, and examining your computer to make sure that there are no any other hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed the Combo Cleaner antivirus, this is the way it looks like. There are three scan types available: Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. The program Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. The premium version is required if you would like to fully enjoy the feature called anti-malware and anti-ransomware. So you'll only be able to activate these two important features, these two important security mechanisms, with the premium version of the program. Anti-malware scanner, it helps potential infections in the early stages. So that's the way to get your computer fully protected against all possible threats, infections, viruses, and other types of malware. Anti-ransomware feature, once it is enabled, protects your files from being encrypted. By the way, you may add a special folder where you will store all your important documentation that will be duly protected by the Combo Cleaner antivirus. So after you select your preferred scanned type, click on Start Scan, and the program will begin the checkup and the analysis of your computer. Not only will it detect problems related to threats like malware, ransomware, or viruses, it will also help you to fix and recover your browser from unwanted ads, redirections, intrusive push notifications, and other types of intrusive adware. So, after the scanning is successfully completed, the program will give you the report about the threats and their exact location on your computer. The good thing is that Combo Cleaner antivirus helped us to protect our computer and our important documentation from being encrypted by the ransomware. Therefore, use Combo Cleaner to get your computer fully protected against all sorts of contemporary threats. And you may find the link to download the program in the description for this video. Thanks for watching.